how to fix install error 0x800f081f on Windows 11. So if you want to fix this installation error, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your File Explorer at first. After opening, go with local disk C. First go with this PC and then go with local disk C. And here you need to go with Windows. Under Windows, you will have software distribution, and under that you need to go with download. And here, all whatever the files that you have, you just need simply select all of these, and then you need to go with delete. Now, after doing that, you just need simply go and restart your device. After restarting, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the second method, which is I've mentioned some commands in the description below. So copy from the description, and you need to open up your Notepad. From the Notepad, you need to just paste all of the commands right here. Once you've pasted, you need to go with file, which is on the top left, and then go with save as. Now here under the file name, you need to go with update error fix dot bat, and under the save as type, you need to go with all files and then go with save. Now once you've done with it, here you can go with your File Explorer, go with your downloads or your desktop, or you may also have that file right here. Just search for the file. So in my case, I have the update error fix right here. So you just need simply right click on it, and then here you will have run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. Now the system in this particular command will close automatically after a period of up to 15 minutes, and this will fix any update error that you have on your system while installing your Windows 11. You just need simply let it run in the background for a few seconds. In meantime, let's proceed with the third step, which is you can open up your settings, and here you will have Windows Update. You need to go with Windows Update, and before that you need to make sure that your command prompt has been completed or exited. Once you've done with the second step, you need to just go with check for updates and update your Windows, and now your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.